So this is a scene that we set up which is based around Indian summers, and it's all about vibrant colors, natural materials, using woods, fibers like jute, natural materials like clay and glass. So we set it up. The big pieces we've set up is this chair, which is an old wedding chest. We've set up a really extra large statement wall art which is based around Indian gods. And then we've got an Indian chest there and an old British oak reclining chair. With those big pieces, we've used smaller pieces like these old Nandis, and we've used an old temple and lots of greenery, lots of succulents, lots of plants with different colored leaves and so on. So for the coffee table, or the centerpiece in the room, we've got an old military chest here, which was green in color originally. It's faded, but you can see the kind of heavy ironwork around the edge. In the center of the table, we've decorated it with some contrasting colors and materials. We've gone for brass lassie cups, which are just milk cups, an old Indian temple, a stone bowl, more brass in terms of old padlocks and different shapes and different kind of colors. We've got an old Nandi bull down here, and of course we've got a natural jute rug there. New in for summer for us for this year. This is really round, lots of natural materials, but little flashes of color. And then down here for the side table, we've got an old merchant's table, which you can see the layers of paint as they've kind of worn away to reveal the wood underneath. It's pink, blue, red, green, and then we've decorated that table with plants, more plants again, tropical plants, particularly succulents we really love, but we've also got a little tikka pot, a little brass pot, and then an old painted teapot down there. So overall, it's big pieces, lots of flashes of color, lots of tropical plants, really old textures, worn textures, but really given a whole vibe of being in India during the summer, during the really warm months.